Hey everyone, welcome back to APPSGADGET channel. Are you looking for smarter, easier ways to protect your home or business? Well, today we are diving into how MERCUSYS is bringing complete peace of mind right to your doorstep with their latest smart cameras. The MERCUSYS MC210 indoor camera and the MERCUSYS MC500 outdoor camera. No matter if you're a parent wanting to check on a sleeping baby, a property owner needing eyes on your front gate, or a small business owner monitoring after hours, common worries about safety and security are now easier to resolve. MERCUSYS has designed these cameras to be affordable for everyone, keeping you connected to what matters most: your family, your pets, your home, and your business. Both the MC210 and MC500 are super easy to set up, connecting to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi in just minutes. Their flexible, wire-free design means you can reposition them effortlessly. Together, they offer full 360-degree coverage, making sure there are no blind spots, whether it's your living room, driveway, or backyard. Plus, with AI-powered smart detection, you'll get fewer false alarms, as it smartly distinguishes between general motion, people, and background activity. The MERCUSYS app gives you real-time footage and two-way audio. Imagine talking to your kids after school, chatting with a delivery person at the gate, or even reassuring your pet from miles away. And for ultimate convenience, both cameras work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can pull up a live feed with just your voice. You can also set customizable block zones for privacy, and the MC500 even has a physical lens cover for when you need complete privacy. Storage is flexible too, with up to 512 GB on microSD or secure cloud backup. Let's talk about the MC210 indoor camera. It delivers crisp 2K resolution, capturing every detail inside your home. Perfect for parents to monitor a baby's crib at night or check on kids studying. With infrared night vision up to 40 feet, you can discreetly monitor even in total darkness. The MC210 also has advanced AI features like baby cry detection, sending instant alerts if your child needs attention. Now, for outdoor reliability, meet the MERCUSYS MC500 outdoor camera. It gives you sharp 1080p HD resolution, ideal for monitoring entryways, garages, or storefronts. It boasts color night vision to identify vehicles and deliveries in low light, and infrared night vision for clear black and white footage when it's super dark. Built to withstand the elements, the MC500 has an IP65 weatherproof design, ensuring reliable performance rain or shine. And here's a cool feature. Built-in light and siren alarms actively deter intruders, giving you proactive security. Stay confident and in control with MERCUSYS. The MC210 indoor camera is available for just PHP 9999, and the MC500 outdoor camera for PHP 1199. You can grab them at the official MERCUSYS stores on Shopee and Lazada, and in select IT retail stores nationwide. Experience smarter, safer living today. Check the links in the description to learn more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.